Now I will explain you the chapter known as lines and angles. So what are the basic requirements to explain you the chapter line and angles? We must know what is a point. What is a point? Then what is a line segment? Then what is a ray? Then what is the line? Now after it, what is the angle? After it, there are various types of angles: acute angle, obtuse angle. That is, you can consider, I will explain you types of angles. Types of angles. Then after it, there will be few theorems. So first thing I want to explain you what is a point. First thing, point basically we always explain like this, that a dot made by the sharp pencil on the piece of a paper. But it is not, because as and when we talk, we discuss that Prime Minister from US and Prime Minister of India are meeting at a point. So that is a huge place. So point is what? It is something common between two lines. That is, if two lines intersect, they meet at a point. So point can be defined something which is common between two different things. That is known as a point. Suppose all students come in the morning in the school, they meet at a point, that is known as the school. Similarly, you go for a party, you meet in a lawn, that is what is a point. So point is specifically not defined as per its dimensions. So point is can be explained as something common. You can use the word something common. This is the point. What is the line segment? If we have 2 points in a plane, so the joining of 2 points in plane is straight, that is known as the line segment. Suppose this is a point A, this is a point B. If you join by the shortest path, so AB is known as the line segment. So what is the line segment? If 2 points in a plane, if 2 points in a plane are joined, if 2 points in a plane are joined, then what forms? A line segment is formed. Line segment. We get a line segment when 2 points in a plane are joined, and it is denoted by this like AB. AB, this is the symbol for the line segment. What is the ray? If a line segment is extended indefinitely in one direction. Suppose this is A, this is B, AB is a line segment when it is extended indefinitely in one direction. Ray is what? If a line segment is extended indefinitely in one direction, that is known as ray. So ray has one initial point but does not has any terminating point. Number 1. But in case of the line segment, it has initial and terminating both the point. What is the line? If a line segment is extended indefinitely in both the directions. If a line segment is extended indefinitely in both the directions, that is known as the line. Like this, if this is the line segment AB and if it is extended both the directions indefinitely, it is known as the line, and line does not has initial or terminating point. What is the angle? Angle can be defined as like this. It is the union or the shape made by the two different rays having same initial point. Suppose this is a point O. From here one of the ray originated is OA. from the same point another ray is originated is known as OB. If OA and OB are the two distinct rays having same initial point O, then shape so formed is known as the angle. First example, first theory, that what is the ray? Ray is the, what is the angle? Angle is figure formed by, angle is the figure formed by two different rays having same initial point, same initial or starting point, that is known as the angle. Angle is the figure formed by two different rays having same initial point, and this here angle is angle AOB. This we put for the notation of the angle. Another definition, if you have a ray, this is initial point O and to extend it toward A, OA. If a ray is rotated in anti-clockwise direction by keeping its initial point fixed, then what so formation is made is known as the angle. Suppose initially OA was the ray. If you pick the point A and ray is rotated like this, then figure so formed is known as the angle. This OA is the initial ray, OB is the final ray, and amount of rotation, that how much we have rotated, is known as the degree measure of angle. So what is the angle? If two different rays are inclined having same initial point, then figure so formed is known as the angle, and whatever amount of inclination is there, that is known as the degree measure of the angle. Or you can say, if we have a ray, its initial point is being fixed and its another point is picked and rotated, then what so formed is known as the angle, and amount of rotation is known as its degree measure. Initial ray is OA and OB is known as its terminating ray.